In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails for website using Brevo. By the end of this, you will know how to create an email campaign, design it using the editor, add personalization, and then preview, test, and activate it so it is ready for your website audience. To begin, go to the Campaigns section in Brevo. From there, click Create New Campaign. This is where you start every email you want to send. So taking a moment here ensures you are working in the correct area and not in a different tool or dashboard. Next, select Email as the campaign type and choose your campaign name. The campaign name is mainly for your internal organization, so pick something that clearly tells you what this email is for, such as the purpose or the audience segment you are targeting. This keeps things easy to manage later, especially when you create multiple campaigns. Once the campaign is created, you will move on to the design setup. Click Start Design and then click Template. This step opens the options you will use to structure your email. Using a template is a great way to get started quickly, while still allowing you to customize everything to match your website style. Now you will build the email layout using the drag and drop editor. In this editor, you create your email by dragging content blocks such as text, images, and buttons into your layout. As you place blocks, pay attention to the order and spacing because that is what viewers will see from top to bottom. After you add a content block, click on any block to edit it. This is where you update the content itself, but also where you control styling details like fonts, colors, and overall formatting. Matching your branding matters here, because a consistent look makes your emails feel professional and recognizable to people who visit your website. As you refine the design, you will likely want your email to feel personalized for each recipient. To do that, use the Personalize icon. This lets you insert dynamic contact attributes into your message. For example, you can insert a first name using a placeholder such as Dec Contact First Name. When the email is sent, Brevo will replace that placeholder with the correct contact data for each person, as long as the data exists in your contacts. After you finish the design and personalization, it is time to see how everything will look to recipients. Click Preview and test. Take a moment to review the preview carefully, especially the way the text, images, and buttons appear. Make sure to check both desktop and mobile versions, since many people will open emails on their phones. While you preview, focus on readability and layout. Confirm that the font sizes are comfortable on smaller screens and that the spacing does not look cramped. Also check that your images and buttons display properly, because these are common areas where designs can shift slightly between devices. Once the preview and test look correct, you are ready to finalize the campaign. Click Save and Activate to finalize the template for use in your email marketing campaigns. This ensures the work you did is stored and ready to be used when you send future email campaigns based on this template. And that covers everything you need to know. You now have a complete process for creating an email campaign in Brevo, designing it with the drag and drop editor, adding personalization, previewing on desktop and mobile, and saving and activating the template so it is ready for your next email.